What's good, everybody? It's Susu in the house, and we're back with another video. Today we're gonna react to a new rapper to the channel. Not new to me, my favorite rapper, J. Cole, and the song Amari. Let's go straight into the video. We're not gonna do a lot of talking. Let's go.
Off season. Let's work. Hey, plotting my escape. This game, riding niggas fake. Got a couple M's hiding in the safe. Imagination turn a Honda into Wraith. I was doing 80 on the interstate, trying to make it back before my class start. Country nigga never seen a passport till I popped off and got a bag for it. Now I'm at the garden sitting half court, watching Junior catch it off the bat boy. Bill nigga never seen nothing except a fucking triple beam jumping. Good dope, leave a fiend crumping. Made it out, it gotta mean something. Either you gon' hustle or that nigga Uncle Sam got your ass re-enlisting. 2-6 murder scene pumping. Better leave it tucked if you ain't dumping. Pow pow, nigga, he slumping. 12 coming, we ain't seen nothing. Time chain, niggas ain't rumbling no more. Now what for? Hungry for more. If you solo leave vocal, listen close and you can hear grumbling. More tie and I'm still munching. Big bag, never fear fumbling. Won't smoke, nigga, don't choke. I'm a whole fucking nicotine company. Dream of the army.
You don't want smoke. He's a whole company of nicotine. Did you hear? Like that's literally his story, how he made it out, and yeah, that's pretty cool, man. Yeah.
Not a Navy, how could you ever try to play me? Kill him on a song, walk up out the booth, do the Westbrook like a baby. I never fall out with the bro. Hey, when your family
Do the Westbrook like a baby. You know, when Westbrook, I don't remember what team was that, but Westbrook usually do that thing. When after he score, he's just like
Westbrook is a
baby.
basketball player, I forget to mention.
That's what he's gonna do.
turning a foe, we had a penthouse on the road, interior decorated with a hose, just like a multiple truck getting shows. My niggas like any mini money mo. Scoop up a dime piece like we homeless, then we gon' send them back pigeon toe. Out of the concrete was a rose, and windows was cold. Had to go over and stand by the stove. We from the southeast, niggas know this where the ops creep real slow. Won't vote, but they mob deep with the post. I punch the time sheet, not no more. And now my assigned seat is a thorn. Plotting my escape, this game. Riding niggas fake, got a couple M's hiding in the safe. Imagination turn a Honda into Wraith. I was doing 80 on the interstate, trying to make it back before my class start. Country nigga never seen a passport till I popped off and got a bad for it.
Did he say country never seen a passport? So my guy was like me literally. When I was in Haiti, I never saw a passport because I never travel anywhere. It's like when you don't have the opportunity or enough money to travel, you never seen a passport, you just stay in the country. So that's him until he make enough money to.
Now I'm at the garden sitting half court, watching Junior catch it off the bat boy. Bill nigga never seen nothing except a fucking triple beam jumping. Good dope, leave a fiend crumping. Made it out, it gotta mean something. Made it out, it gotta mean something. Made it out, it gotta mean something. Ba-da-ba.
That was J. Cole off season Amari. Please tell me what Dreamville mean. Is there a place that called Dreamville, or is that a type of music? Is that his symbol or emblem, whatever? Please comment below. Tell me what Dreamville. Tell me everything you know about J. Cole, because I wanna be a fan. You know, when you know everything about this artist, and when you know more about the story of this artist, that make you be a better fan, because you know the whole history, so you know why he would make a song like that, when he would drop a song like that. So that's what's up. This song was all about how he made it out, and how he was before, and how I think rap changed his life and stuff, or he made it out. That's what's up. That's what's up, man. And I like this type of music. It's not all about I have money. I have money. This is how I made the money. Because some people be telling like the youth like you need to get money. You need to get money. But this dude was telling us how he got it and how, where he was and how he got it. So that's what's up, man. That's what's up. I like this type of music, and I told you already. He's my favorite rapper, and yeah, this is it for the video. If you like the video, comment below, tell me what the J. Cole song should I react to, and with that said, we out.
So we